In today's lecture, we will discuss about nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is the term which is collectively used for DNA and RNA. DNA that stands for deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA that stands for ribonucleic acid that performs a variety of crucial function in all organisms. As you all know that DNA stores and transfers genetic informations, and it serves as a template for the synthesis of new DNAs and RNAs, while RNA carry out the process of protein synthesis. So here are the components of the nucleic acid. Nucleic acid basically consists of three different types of components that includes phosphoric acid, 5-carbon sugar, and nitrogenous base. Here is the generalized structure of nucleic acid. The nitrogenous bases which are present in nucleic acid, they are of two types. One is the purine and second is the pyrimidine. Purine is basically two ring structure, and that consists of further into adenine and guanine. And while in case of pyrimidine is single ring structure that consists of cytosine, thymine, and uracil in case of RNA. While in case of DNA, cytosine and thymine are present, while in case of RNA, cytosine and uracil are present. Adenine always pairs with thymine in case of DNA, while in case of RNA, adenine pairs with uracil, while guanine always pairs with cytosine in nucleic acid. Nucleoside is a term which is used for when sugar and nitrogenous bases combine together, they form nucleoside. If the sugar is ribose sugar, then this is called as ribonucleoside, while if this is deoxyribose sugar, then this is known as deoxyribose. And that nucleoside, when that nucleoside combines with phosphoric acid, then it is termed as nucleotide. So if this nucleoside, ribonucleoside, combines with phosphoric acid, then it is known as ribonucleotide or RNA. And if this is the nucleoside that deoxyribonucleoside that combines with phosphoric acid, then it is known as deoxyribonucleotide, which is also known as DNA. So here is the brief review of the nucleic acid. In further lectures or different components of nucleic acid, in further lectures we will discuss in detail about DNA and RNA. Thank you.